Yo guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can get Fortnite dev. Now this is called Project FC, which is my own personal dev. This is probably one of the most easiest devs out there to get. Make sure to watch the full entire video, especially make sure to watch to the end because I'm going to be offering you guys a chance to win a bunch of free money. All you have to do is stay till the end of the video. And yes guys, this is completely real. But if you guys want to see more dev videos like this and more Fortnite modding videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And I've been seeing a bunch of clickbait videos on Fortnite dev and on Fortnite modding. Basically a bunch of fake videos. Now, if you guys want real videos, I always post legitimate videos, and these are completely real. Like I said, I will be going through the steps step by step so you guys can see how I do it and you guys can follow along. Without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Alright, yo guys, so as you can see, I'm in my Fortnite dev, and as you can see, we have basically every single cosmetic in the whole entire game, including every single skin, every single pickaxe, even the FNCS pickaxe, and every glider. Also, you guys probably asking, well, can I have Renegade Raider? Well, I'm gladly, you guys can actually have Renegade Raider, and you guys can actually wear it, and you guys can add your friends and join their parties. And as you can see, we have 69,000 V-Bucks, which is definitely a crazy number. But without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can do this for yourself. So if you guys are already in Fortnite, just make sure to close out of Fortnite. You guys want to head over to my Discord server. Once you guys are in my Discord server, it's going to be the link of the description. Now you guys may have to go through a few steps, which I will show you guys right now. So guys, to actually unlock the Discord, you guys have to go through these steps, which is right here, which I will show you guys right here, guys. Basically, what you want to do is you guys want to click the first link and subscribe to myself. I went on eBay and YouTube. Once you subscribe to myself on YouTube, you guys can go back onto the link. And then what you guys want to do is visit the second page link. And you guys can actually make up to $200. This is completely legit. I will show screenshots. Proof you guys probably heard of this app. If not, what you guys want to do is if you guys are on mobile, you guys can just download it with my link. Or if you guys are on PC, all you want to do is actually pull up that tab on your computer. And then what you guys want to do is just scan it on your phone with it. And all you guys want to do is just scan it on your phone with a QR code. It's pretty easy, guys. I'm just going to show a tutorial up on right now. Basically, what you guys want to do is you guys just want to scan it and then just click the link, and then as you can see, you guys can redeem a bunch of free coins. But yeah, guys, you guys can definitely abuse this, and once you guys have your own link, you guys can send it to your friends as well and be making passive income from that. If not, you guys can just close that out, and then you guys can just go on the third step, which is subscribing to my friend X Shadow. Once you guys have done that, you guys are good to go, and now you guys can finally proceed with unlocking the dev. Now, there's a bunch of steps you guys have to do, but please be patient because I promise it is definitely worth it in the end. Now you guys just want to press unlock link, and then this will take you eventually to my Discord server. You just want to press free extras with ads, and then you guys want to close out. And then now you guys may be asking, well, I don't want to install this and actually make an account. All you have to do is just press this, download it, and then you guys can proceed with the task completed and exit out. It's pretty simple, guys. Just wait around 30 seconds. You guys don't even have to run it and sign up with an account. All you have to do is just download it. And then once you get the check marks completed, you guys can close out and continue to Fortnite dev. And then once you guys are here, just press download Fortnite dev. Double click on the download, and then basically what you guys want to do here is you guys just want to double click on the link advertise. And it's going to run as administrator. Just press yes. You guys want to press OK. And then next, skip all, and then press open. Now, finally, guys, this will lead to my Discord server. And then now you guys can finally install the dev. So once you guys are here, just press the check mark, and then you guys can head over to the download section, and then press download right here, which is another liquidized process. And then that's basically it, guys. Once you guys have done this, just go through download Project FC, and then press save, and then double click on the download, and then press yes. Once you guys are here, press next. Make sure to decline these ads, and then press open. And then what you guys want to do is you guys just want to wait 58 seconds, and then you guys can finally install the dev. I don't know why it takes a minute, but just wait on this website for 58 seconds, and then you guys can actually install the dev. I promise it is definitely worth it. In the meantime, while we are waiting, I'm going to be going over, I'm officially a co-founder of Team Mivril. I'm proud to announce that. And if you guys see right here, Team Mivro, we have over 5,000 members, and one of the other co-founder is Brad. He has over 1 million plus followers on all social medias. If you guys want to join, make sure to click the link of the description. All you guys want to do is you guys just want to click this link in how to join. I'll leave the Discord link in the description. You guys just want to click the Epic Games link, change your name to Mivro something. For example, you guys can change your name to any of these, or it could be anything. For example, if you're Mivro Specs, you guys can change your name to Mivro Specs, which is pretty sick. Once you guys have done this, all you want to do is DM me right here, or you guys can DM Brad proof and make a screenshot that you actually changed your name. Once you guys have done that, you guys could have a chance of joining Team Mivro. Now, we give out tons of free stuff, including jerseys to content creators and players, and we even nominate salaries to our players and Team Mivro, which is up to $500 a month, which is crazy. All you have to do is join Team Mivro Esports, and make sure to join the Discord in the link of the description. But now, let's get back onto the tutorial. And gladly, it has finished downloading. So now we can download this file. And then what you guys want to do is just click on the folder icon. And then you guys want to right click and then press extract. Once you guys extracted it, if you guys can't extract it, just make sure to download WinRAR on your device. It's pretty simple. All you guys want to search up is WinRAR. And then you guys want to go WinRAR download free and support. And then press download right there. Once you guys have done that, you can launch. Basically, all you want to do is how easy it is, guys. All you want to do is you guys just want to click the Fortnite launcher once you have it downloaded. That's all you want to do, and then it'll automatically launch Fortnite just like that. Make sure you guys are also into the correct Fortnite account logged in. Once you guys are in the correct Fortnite account, it should launch the Fortnite dev on that specific account, which is pretty sick, guys. As you guys can see, connecting to Project FC, and there you guys go. You guys have successfully got the Fortnite dev, and yeah, I'm just gonna showcase it a bit more. There is no shop yet, but we're going to be adding a ton of updates to this. So like I said, make sure to stay updated. And then you guys have the Renegade Raider right here. And you guys also do have a ton of other features like the pink Gold Trooper, I'm pretty sure. As you can see, you guys can wear the pink Gold Trooper. And you guys can wear the Skull Trooper, which is the purple version of the purple Skull Trooper, which is pretty sick, guys. All you guys want to do is just edit style, and there you guys can go. You guys can equip it in the lobby. You guys can wear it. It's pretty sick. And as you can see, we also have the battle pass right here. There's no need for it because you guys already have every single skin in the whole entire game. Another feature I'm going to be going over is unreleased skins. All you guys want to type in is TBD. And then basically with that, guys, you guys can see a bunch of unreleased skins. Some of these skins will probably never be in the game ever, but they're pretty cool. As you can see, I'll try to find a cool skin. Like, this skin will never be in the game, especially this skin. This skin will also never be in the game. As you guys can see, the skin will never ever be in the game. But yeah, guys, that's pretty sick. But I'm just gonna wear the Renegade Raider in the lobby for now. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And it has been your boy Radius. Have a good rest of your day. Peace out.